If you're diving into the world of website building, you probably heard of Elementor, right? But is it really the best WordPress page builder out there? Or is it just another overhyped tool? Let's break it down and find out. Elementor is a drag and drop page builder for WordPress that allows users to create stunning websites without needing to touch a line of code. You get a visual editor that feels intuitive, which is great for beginners. The interface is clean and you can easily see changes in real time, which is a big plus. It's designed for a wide range of users, from bloggers to small business owners. One standout feature is the extensive library of pre-designed templates, making it easy to get started. However, while it's packed with widgets and customization options, some advanced users might feel a bit limited as they dig deeper. There's also a bit of a learning curve if you want to fully utilize all the features. The documentation is decent, but I found myself wishing for more detailed guides in some areas. Overall, the experience is generally smooth, but there are moments where it could be clearer for new users. So, what are the pros and cons? On the plus side, Elementor is user-friendly and offers a ton of flexibility with its design options. The pre-built templates are a real lifesaver, especially if you're short on time. However, some users have reported frustrations with performance issues, especially on larger sites, which might slow down your loading times. Another concern is the pricing model. While there's a free version available, many of the best features are locked behind a paywall, which can feel a bit limiting. You might find that if you're looking for advanced functionality, you'll need to invest in the premium version. This tool might not suit those who prefer more traditional coding methods or need a highly customized solution, but for those looking for an easy way to build beautiful WordPress sites, it could be a great fit. In the end, Elementor is a solid choice for anyone looking to create a visually appealing website without the hassle of coding. If you're a beginner or a small business owner, it's definitely worth trying out. But if you need extensive customization or have a larger site, you might want to explore other options first.